Hello, people. I have gotten party animal, as you can see, and I'm gonna punch animals. Cause it, why not? How we play this game? I wasn't even looking. Oh, I'm blue. I'm not supposed to be hitting you. Oh, they're gonna be one. Hey, hey, watch it, doggy. No! Oh, oh, you wanna fight? No! No! Long live the king! You're black. You. Okay, well we both died. I guess that was meaningless. Oh sh! Ooh! Ooh! You're bad! God damn it. Long live the king! Ah! Take out the green guys. I got it. Okay, well there goes the bomb. I got nunchucks! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, yeah, baby! Wee mama! Ah! My nunchucks, no! Oh! You're not. Fuck! Yeah! Whee! Yeah. Get knocked over, bitch. Ah! I want my nunchucks. Mine. I'm gonna blow you all with me. It's gonna be like the terrorist attack. Oh. Let go of me, you f***er! Ah! Bye. Oh. Ah! Fucking damn it. Come here! Fuck you. There can only be one. God damn it. It's up to me again. I want to keep the yellow one alive. Okay. So I may have died, but at least I took the other green down. I must let the yellow team win. It's our only way of not losing. Damn it, owl boy! Okay, well, we lost. God damn it. Get out of the way. Come on, get the gummy bear. Oh yeah, I'm blue. Right. You guys gotta help me out. Hey, we're helping each other out. That's nice. Help! What are you guys doing? Ugh! Why are you so strong? Ugh. No. I refuse to let it go. Eh. No. Gotta stop him. It's mine. Thank you. Eh. Why are you so strong? No. Ah! Damn it. No. Ah! Yes. Oh. No. No! Damn it, you stupid rabbit! Pull the lever! Pull it! Forget police brutality! Pull the lever! Ah! Get in! Put it in! Put it in! Just go! Fire it! I will sacrifice my life! God damn it! This is the second time! Come on, you guys got it. I'm just gonna open the lever because you guys suck at this. Never mind, you guys are getting crowded. Just keep pulling. Alright, guys, you guys are bad at this. There we go. No! Ah, damn it! Ow, my neck! Ah! It hurts! Help! Oh my god, I'm helpless! Help! I can't do anything! Ah! I swear, oh for sake, I died. It doesn't matter, we won. Ooh, this croc is cocksucking. I'm ending the video here. I hope you like this video and game because I was looking forward to playing this game and it's fun. It reminds me of Gang Beasts even though I never played that game. Yeah, I got the pig. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day.